Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Don't hate me!
Ah! Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie? Ah! Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Uh-oh.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit!
Leave me alone! Get away! Help! Let's go hang out after school. I fucked up my math test! I need help!
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him. Fuck! I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
I've got shit running down my legs from the fear.
Stay back! Get off! Ah! Ah!
Whoa! That was close!
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Let's go!
You're late, Juliet.
Oh, great. Those jerks trapped us in here.
How lame.
Wow!
Yeah!
Cool! Thanks a lot!
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair!
Dying hurts so bad.
No!
Oh, man. Their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
What the heck is this?
The zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Whoa! Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday. Come!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
Professor Campbell is so hot.
Stop!
That's the dude who stranded us. Now he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick!
Or we could.
Oh, I screwed up again!
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick?
Well,
Osekoi, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay. There's something else written. It says zombie basketball, time limit 3 minutes. You lose, and blam!
The best calories.
What? The game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up? Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
We need to get out of here.
Well?
Rock and roll! Don't be late.
Kill him before he blows up! Hey, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frogs. Gross.
That's gross. Oh, well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nick, I bet you make me wet. Go, Nick.
Dangerous around here. Dangerous.
Pussy power.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up. Now I hate you
Done
when
your
a carrot talks.
homework already.
Yes. The best calories. Yum.
Did you do your homework?
Quit opening and closing the door, dude.
I found a new virus.
Again and again with the door. It's irritating.
Wash your hands!
Let's go.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Hey, Rasai! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world. And the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei!
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's party time, motherfuckers!
Wow! Favorite!
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't play with fire.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite. Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and rotten world. I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Telly's West, Lingori, Elam Tobal, Ellie Moriform, Tokum Cav, Bingham Kelly Swash.
No!
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa? What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play!
Piss off!
Oh, hell!
Rock Zombie's dead! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze!
Wow, what happened here?
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, I love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not
Shit.
important now,
Look
Nick.
out!
We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
I think you can do better.
His voice is mega irritating. Lard-ass bait.
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god, total waste of a Volvo.
Fuck! What a douchebag. Quit destroying shit for no reason.
My head's gonna explode!
Get out of my way.
Time to get hardcore! You zombie baby slut!
Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass.
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his mohawk this morning.
Your ass is mine! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Woo!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards 2? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever!
Hit his ass hard! Hot Topic sales reject. This guy's fast. Hot Topic sales. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Nice leather
Think that hurts me? I just
seriously,
jizzed a
it's actually
little.
kind of nice. Smash that speaker stand! Your mohawk looks like a rooster thingamabob. Hot Topic sales reject. This guy's fast. Smash that speaker stand! Shit! Speakers! What dude pierces his belly button? Seriously. Shit! Speakers!
Can't wait to see you. Never mind the fun. I can't wait.
Kill this fucking guy,
Bring
Juliet!
it on!
Juliet, let's fuck up that speaker. Kill this fucking guy, Juliet!
Join me on stage for a death jam.
Juliet, give this dude a new asshole on his forehead.
Oh, that one actually hurt a little, bitch.
Juliet, give this dude a new asshole on his forehead. Oh, this sucks. this sucks. Time to give this dude a man pond for his mangina. Oh, this sucks. Oh, this sucks. Time to give this dude a man pond for his mangina. He's trying to kill us? Time to give this dude a man pond for his mangina. Fucking giant letter bullshit! Oh, this sucks.
Not cool! I'm not done screaming yet! This really hurts, man!
Jeez, so emo.
Juliet! You did it!
Mr. Morikawa.
Sensei!
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead. The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith you can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too.
Sensei, no! Don't leave!
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet. Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Sensei!
Oh my gosh! Thanks, Sensei! Chainsaw Dash!
Now that's a sweet ride.
Okay then.
One more time.
Damn